If you've been trying to figure out how to delete images in Leonardo AI, you're in the right place. In this quick tutorial, I'm going to show you the exact steps, and I'll also point out an important limitation you need to know before you start. If this video helps, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more simple AI tutorials just like this. Alright, let's jump in. First, go to your Leonardo AI account and head over to the library section. This is where all of your generated images are stored, so it's the best place to manage anything you've created. Once you're inside the library, find the image you want to remove and click to open it. Opening the image is important because the delete option won't always be obvious from the main gallery view. After the image opens, look for the delete icon. This is usually the option you'll use to remove the image from your library. Click the delete icon and Leonardo AI will begin the removal process. Now, here's the key thing to remember. Deleting images in Leonardo AI requires a premium plan, so if you're using the free version, you may not have access to this feature. If you don't see the delete option, that's likely why. In that case, you'll need to upgrade to premium before you can remove images from your library. Once you have premium access, the process is simple. Go to library, open the image, click the delete icon, and confirm the action if prompted. That's all there is to it. It's a very quick process once you have the right plan, and now you know exactly where to find it. If this tutorial helped, please give it a like and don't forget to subscribe for more Leonardo AI tips, AI editing guides, and easy how-to videos. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.